Good afternoon. It is Monday, March 5th, and boy, oh boy, what another great day in the markets today. Um, this is the NASDAQ right here had a fantastic um, trading opportunity in the NASDAQ today. Came in this morning and we sold off a bit, had all that doom and gloom, and then the sucker rolled over and just took off. So just fantastic trading. Here are the trades. Just let it, once it takes off very strong momentum like that, I mean momentum printing way above one, um, just allow the pullbacks to occur and then just set the software to either get in the reversal longs or the inflection longs and take the pullbacks. Um, a little bit of up and down trading. Here was the 15-minute. Again, here was that opening range. Came down, trapped some traders here trying to get to that yesterday low. Did not get down there, and turned around, broke through the upper channel, and very, very strong momentum on this move. So crude had a great day too. Um, let's take a look at crude. Very, very strong up day today. Some great trades. I'll tell you a funny story while this chart loads. The girl on Bloomberg was talking about aluminium, and I actually Googled it to try to find out if there was a metal I was unaware of. And then it, of course, it said it was aluminum, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I Googled that. But she said it like 2 or 3 times, the aluminium, the aluminium. I'm like, what? So anyway, that's funny. I actually Googled it. So here is the crude again. Looks just like the NASDAQ, except for it got its low. So it doesn't look exactly like it, but then it turned around. So these markets are still correlating, I think, and then broke out to the upside and then went flattened out. So again, trading on this 714 is too busy for crude. I like a 515. Not a 714. Got to know these numbers. See, that's better. And get you in for the meat of the move and put you in on these inflections. So trading it up and down. If this is still too big for you, you can use a 510. 510. 515 is a 20 tick bar. So what we're trying to do is wait for the break of the volatility band and break of the channel, and then get in with that strong momentum to the upside. And then as soon as it pulls back to your average, you can set it to get back on these reversals or the inflections. Very good, very good. Some great trades with the JATS trading software in crude and in NASDAQ. And with that, I will see you tomorrow. There is not going to be any data tomorrow, so nothing coming out for the economic report. So I'm kind of expecting inside days tomorrow, and actually maybe looking for some downside action, depending upon um, what we hear on the TV for the tariffs. I just heard a little bit from the NAFTA meeting where we had the Mexican and Canadian and American representatives discussing cleaning up the agreements and renegotiating some parts of it. So maybe this is all going to be a positive, um, you know, impact on the U.S. economy as well as the other economies that would be affected. So maybe this is all going to be for the better, and it's not going to be as chicken little, the sky's falling as everyone thought it was going to be on Friday. So I think that our Commerce Secretary did an excellent job over the weekend coming out and talking about it, as well as the other fellow. So good jobs they did explaining it, and especially from what I heard from the NAFTA representatives today, this afternoon, saying that they were looking forward to renegotiating their agreements to make it more fair. When I heard that we were losing $2 trillion a year for trade to Mexico alone, I nearly fell off my chair, and that was after NAFTA. So I would say that there needs to be some renegotiating, and maybe, just maybe that's what Trump had in mind when he was saying Mexico's going to pay for that wall. Don't don't tell anybody I said that. But if he renegotiates NAFTA, he can certainly repay for that wall. Have them pay for it. All right. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good day.